Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll answer the question, does the Logitech MX Master 4 have a thumb wheel for horizontal scrolling? So the answer is yes, it does. Right here on the side we have a dedicated horizontal scroll wheel controlled by our thumb. So whenever we're holding it like that, we want to scroll here. Now we want to scroll to the side, we just do that with our finger. And it's very simple. Now, if you do not have it binded, then or customized, then I'll show you how to easily do that. So right here we are at the Logitech. So this is the Logi Options Plus app from the Logitech. Now let's click on our MX Master 4. And right here we have our button. So we ignore this one. I know this covers the horizontal scroll button, but it's right here. We need to click on horizontal scroll. And if there's something else, you can easily change that, like a keyboard shortcut. You guys can change it back to horizontal scroll, and now you will be able to use it. So whenever you find a situation where you have to use your side scroll to do something faster, then this ergonomic mouse can easily help you with scrolling like that. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.